today I'm gonna make a macaroni pasta. So I have boiled all of the macaroni pasta. Here is all of them. Now I have boiled them, so done. So now I have put butter, this oilable butter. Then I'm gonna put garlic cut and onion cut. So I have cut those and put it in the bowl. Now I'm gonna show you how I cook it. It is almost done. After that, I'm gonna put the cheese. I'm gonna put the cheese here. The pizza cheese. Pizza cheese. Then I'm gonna put some cheese. Macaroni cheese. I love cheese, that's why I'm gonna put this cheese. And then some oregano. When it's done cooking, we'll put some oregano. Oregano, this one. So if you like cheese, you can put any flavor you want, cheese or any flavored cheese. If you don't want to put the pizza cheese, you can. And you have to put this one makes a very good smell. So let's make it. My mom here is helping me to make it. So he helped me at boiling the pasta. I told him that it's already ready and he has put it. I put some. So now I'm gonna cook it all and eat it like a monster. So let me show you. So now he's gonna put some yummy pasta. Put it with her hand. I want to have two. That's why I take one hand of them. Whee! It's so rubbery. So now I put all of them. I'm gonna cook. Mom, let me do it. It's so cheesy looking. God, it's so yummy. I couldn't believe